Now you see today in the program, we are decode a song. It's called Inna Dancehall by none other than Shatta Wale, the king of dancehall Africa.
DJ, listen, turn it louder.
All right, you see in the background, yeah, because we have to decode from early now. In the background, we see some flags here. So we see here so to the left, we have Barbados, the land of the flying fish. You have Jamaica, the land of wood. Yo, well, I put on my glasses here, someone. Yeah, put on my glasses. All right, here what now? I'm going to go from the left again. So the flags them there, so you see from the left, we see Barbados flag, right? The land of the flying fish. Now, we see Jamaica flag, and you don't know where Jamaica is already. The land of wood and water. Yo, when you get the wood, you're going to get the water after, you know. You don't know. Yes, so we have a flag. Ghana. Strategically, it's in the middle.
In Africa, from a party start, with us a hype and vodka. Ram miss with kusha.
So from the party start, it's just a hype and vodka. So you know, say, a drinking in straight. All right, him say something else from this teacher. Say, show me a lighter. Okay, when you talk about the teacher in a dancehall, one person you talk about is Vybz Kartel. And Vybz Kartel is considered to be the teacher. Hold on, you hear him say the dirty wine. Hey, when you talk about dirty wine, you know. All right, you see dirty wine, you know. The DJ that sings the dirty wine is called Tony Mataran. And Mataran is a selector from Jamaica. You see where it come from? Yeah, man, the dirty wine. You can look him up. Big selector out of Jamaica. All right.
Go to Bars Beats on YouTube for full video.